Arbor Day is a holiday that encourages everyone to plant a tree, but you can plant a tree at almost any point of the year. Trees have numerous environmental benefits. The statue of Sterling Morton that stood in the U.S. Capitol for nearly a century has found a new home in Nebraska City. The 9-foot, 5,500-pound bronze statue was in the U.S. Capitol's National Statuary Hall Collection for over 80 years. It was replaced by a statue of Nebraska author Willa Cather in July. In 2018, state senators voted to replace Morton and William Jennings Bryan as Nebraska's longtime representatives at the Capitol's National Statuary Hall. Ponca Chief Standing Bear replaced Bryan a year later, which sent Bryan to the National Guard Museum in Seward. The Morton statue was supposed to be replaced at the U.S. Capitol several years ago, but the COVID-19 pandemic and the attack on the U.S. Capitol in January 2021 pushed it back until this year. The statue will be unveiled Monday at noon in the lower level of the Morton James Public Library in Nebraska City. When it was announced his statue would be headed back to Nebraska City, Doug Fradley, a member of the committee that formed to try to bring him home, said it made sense. Listen now and subscribe. Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts,